Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Tell yourself this every morning. Today, you are not only going to feel inspired, but you will also improve your English speaking skills step by step. This is not just a lesson, this is your morning transformation. So, sit up straight, smile, take a deep breath, and say this with me. Today, I choose to be positive. Today, I choose to be confident. Today, I choose to be my best self. That's right. Every morning is a new opportunity. Let's begin this journey together to grow, learn, and shine. Now repeat after me slowly and clearly. Let your voice carry power and positivity. Today is a new beginning. I am grateful for this beautiful life. I am full of positive energy. I believe in myself. I am ready to face any challenge with courage. I am strong, I am focused, and I am determined. I trust the process of my growth. Every day, I am becoming a better version of myself. Feel these words, don't just say them. The more you repeat them, the more your mind believes them. Now say it again, this time with emotion. I am powerful, I am confident, I am unstoppable. Yes, you are. Let's practice speaking English with confidence. These are sentences you can use in your daily life to sound confident, positive, and fluent. Repeat after me. I speak English with confidence. My English is getting better every single day. I am not afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake helps me learn and improve. I enjoy speaking English. I express myself clearly and confidently. I listen carefully, I think positively, and I speak naturally. English is my friend. Every word makes me stronger. Remember, confidence is not about being perfect, it's about believing in yourself even when you are learning. So, whenever you speak English, speak proudly. Smile when you talk because your energy speaks louder than your words. Now, let's talk about your mindset, the foundation of success. Success begins with my thoughts. I focus on progress, not perfection. I am patient with myself. I never give up on my goals. Every small step brings me closer to success. I am the creator of my own future. I attract positive energy and good opportunities. I am ready for great things to happen in my life. Do you know something? Most people wake up and immediately think about problems, but successful people wake up and think about possibilities. Say this: I see opportunities everywhere. I have everything I need to succeed. That's right. When your thoughts are strong, your life becomes strong. So from today, stop saying I can't. Start saying I can, I will, I must. Let me tell you a short motivational story. It will help you understand English naturally and inspire your mind. Once there was a young man who dreamed of becoming a fluent English speaker, but every time he spoke, people laughed. He made mistakes, forgot words, and felt embarrassed. One day he looked in the mirror and said, I don't care what people think, I will not stop learning. From that day, he practiced every morning. He watched English videos, repeated sentences, listened carefully, and spoke aloud even when no one was there. Months passed, and his confidence grew. One day he spoke English in front of a big audience confidently and fluently. Everyone clapped. So repeat after me. I believe in myself. I will never give up. My hard work will pay off. That's your power. That's your story in the making. I am thankful for this new day. I am grateful for my health, my mind, and my energy. I am proud of how far I have come. I am learning, growing, and evolving every day. I forgive myself for my mistakes. I am kind to myself. I deserve success, happiness, and peace. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath. Feel the calm inside you. You are enough. You are capable. And you are exactly where you need to be right now. Remember, when you start your day with positive thoughts and English practice, you grow not only in language but also in life. Every word you speak shapes your future. So speak powerfully, speak confidently, speak with love. I believe in myself and let's fill the world with positivity and motivation. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Come back tomorrow for another powerful English motivational practice. Stay strong, stay confident, stay inspired. I will see you in the next lesson.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.